Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can create voice calls using the Twilio library. So you have to first create your Twilio account, and then what you will need is you have to go to the dashboard, and from there you will be able to find the three details that you often need for making the calls from Twilio. So these are the three information that you will need. So you will need account, test ID or token, and that Twilio phone number. So I have this ASP.NET MVC application here, and this is a pretty simple code. So I have taken the three values from the web config, and then you just have to use calls resource.create method for making the call. And for this purpose we are using a nugget package, so we have to go to nugget packages. So I will provide you a direct link of the code from where you can get the code and download also, and you can try to run the application. So guys, you can see the package Twilio. You have to install this package in your application, and this will be able to make the calls from ASP.NET code. So this is the call resource.create method, and here we are using the from contact number. Now this is the contact number, and that you can see here. Okay, this is a trial contact number provided by Twilio, and this is the contact number which you have to add, like from, like to whom you make the call. But this cannot be a random number. This should come from, so you can go to the phone number section here and click on manage, and then you can click on verified caller IDs. So here you will see the contact number. Now this is contact number is the one which you use while creating the account. So in a trial account you can only use the account which you can only use the contact number which you used for creating the account. So this is the contact number that I used for creating the account, so I can only make calls to that account. Okay, so now we will just try to um, run, and we will also see how you can check that if the call is working or not. So for that what you will do is you will go to the search here, and if you don't see the voice options anywhere, then you can click on voice insights. Okay, and then you will see the section on the left side here. Okay, so currently it is saying that there is one call for today, and now we will try to make another call to see if we can get that working. So in the meantime I also have this AnyDesk connected here to my mobile, where I will receive the call. So this is to show you that the call is working or not. And then we will also see on the dashboard, Twilio dashboard, that if the call has been working or not. So we can also check that on using the dashboard. So now we will call the method here, and this will initialize the call. So here you can see, we are receiving the call from Twilio. Okay, so this is just to show you that call is working. So I will just cut the call from here. Okay, so this was the call that we created from Twilio. Okay, now we will go to the dashboard, and we will refresh the screen here. So guys, if the solution works for you, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and help us. So we will go to monitor, insights, and the call. So this can take some time to refresh the data here, but you can check after some time that the count will be increased here, that you have make the call. So that will be refresh in some time, and generally it does refresh at the same time, but as we can see, we have received the call on the index which I showed you, that we have received the call. So this will be refreshing in some time. So until then, what you can do for getting the code is you can go to our official website, code2night.com, and I will also provide you a direct link in the video description, so you can check that. And here you can see how to make voice call using Twilio, and this is the same code that we just seen in the video, and you can also download that from here. So don't forget to comment on the video if this works for you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. So thank you guys.